Hi, my name is Maria Langer, and I thought I would take a moment to share with you a time-lapse, mostly time-lapse video of my boat being hauled out of the water in Chester, Maryland. This big blue machine that you see is the boat lift, and they are fixing up the straps to be able to lift my boat. They'll pull it in over this little slot, this little channel, and they'll put the straps in the water. Meanwhile, someone's going out to my boat where I am, and they're saying, "We're ready for you." Now, I knew this was going to happen, but I didn't know exactly when, so this was kind of a surprise. So I needed to do some things to get ready to go, start the engine, warm it up, untie the boat, and get ready to move. You can see me drifting out now. And my job is going to be to steer the boat out of the slip that it's in and into that boat lift. And here I come. There was a tight turn near the beginning, and I'm actually going really slow. This is a hyperlapse, so it's really sped up. Now I get in there, they stop the boat's movement with the forward strap, and then they pull the boat over to the side so I can get out. And I had my dogs with me, so that made it a little bit more complicated. So I'm out. You can see me walking around, taking video, standing in the way. Now I'm on the side. They lift the boat out of the water. Everyone's taking pictures and looking at it. And they bring it over here and they park it. Now at this point, the boat's still hanging there, and a guy is going to come over and he's going to power wash the bottom of the boat. And you see him doing that here. Just a regular old power washer. The boat's bottom was remarkably clean, and I was really lucky because I didn't need to get it painted. So that's going to save me some money. You can see him again from a different angle. It gets kind of slimy on the bottom. If it sits in one place too long, it gets barnacles. So now we're back to the time lapse. Gets back on the machine and he drives it away. And another guy's going to come out and fetch that ladder. And then they move the boat to another boat lift, and now they're backing it from that boat lift, it's a smaller boat lift, into the yard. And they're going to park me way in the back corner of that yard. They'll put it up on blocks. I can walk around on it, people can do work on it, and it'll be there till I get back in May. And that's it. Thanks for watching.